Meaning of ineptly.
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 Ineptly. The term ineptly is an adverb that describes the manner or quality of performing an action in a clumsy or incompetent way. When someone performs a task ineptly, they do it poorly, without skill or expertise. A person who behaves ineptly may lack experience, training, or natural ability in a particular field. The end result of performing a task ineptly can be disastrous, as it can lead to mistakes, accidents, or failure to achieve the desired outcome. Overall, the term ineptly conveys a negative connotation and implies a lack of competence or proficiency.